In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive completed tasks in Notion. If you're someone who loves to stay organized and on top of your task list, this tutorial will be perfect for you. Follow along to streamline your task management process in Notion. First, let's navigate to your tasks tracker in Notion. Once you're there, you'll need to create a new view. This will help you separate and manage your tasks more effectively. To do this, click on the Add a New View option. You'll notice it's highlighted for easy identification. After selecting it, choose the Empty View option. This will allow you to start from scratch in organizing your tasks. Now, type a name for this new view. You might start with something like Needs to be Done. Having a clear title will help you distinguish this view later easily. Once you've done that, click on Done to save your view settings. Next, let's refine this view to make it work for your specific needs by using filters. Click on Filter, and then choose the checkbox option. Click on the highlighted area to bring up filtering choices. Select Unchecked. This setting will ensure you're only looking at tasks that still need attention, removing those that have been completed. You'll now see that the tasks that are done are temporarily hidden from view. This feature is incredibly useful for minimizing distractions and focusing on what still needs to be tackled. But wait, let's switch things up. To quickly switch to view your completed tasks, click to create another view. Select Empty View and name it something descriptive, perhaps Done. Click Done to create this second view. Again, use the Filter option. Click on Checkbox, then choose Checked by clicking on the highlighted area. Now, only the tasks you've already completed will be shown in this view. This step is great for reflecting on what you've accomplished or for archiving purposes. To switch between views is quite simple. Click back to the Needs to be Done view whenever you want to see what tasks are still pending. Alternatively, switch to Done to review the tasks you've completed. This fluid toggle between your task states is streamlined and ensures your productivity follows an organized flow. In conclusion, Notion offers a versatile platform for task management by allowing you to customize views and filters according to your workflow. By implementing these steps, you can maintain a clean, organized, and efficient space, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing with Notion.